Another day fishing on the Victory. Today we're gonna go for some whitefish, rockfish, and see what else we catch. But yeah, light load. We only got a couple bags here, a couple bags there, so not that many people here today, but that's good for us. So we'll see what we catch. Starting to move here, and actually the captain said we're probably gonna do a little bit of halibut fishing, some drift. So that's kind of a surprise to me because that's pretty much all I do up in the bay. So, but after that we're gonna do some rock fishing. But yeah, I just got my same old, you know, single hook in the front on the nose and a stinger hook in the back. So
yeah, any difference just in case.
We'll see if we get a halibut.
We're on our system.
Just got to the halibut spot. I got my sardine on here, set up just like I do in the bay. Oh, little guy. Little Hallie. Oh, came right off. He was chomping on it for a little bit. I let him take it for a while. All right, baby Hallie. What is it? Sculpin. Sculpin. A decent one. A nice sculpin right there on the Victory. Another sculpin. Another fatty sculpin. Yeah, nice one. Huh? 4. We just hit up this halibut spot. I just caught one short Hallie and I caught 4 nice sculpins. So I'm out here in the galley, I'm inside the galley, and just ordered a burrito. So get something to eat while we're going out further in. But I will see you guys when we get to the spot. We're gonna hit up some more sculpin and rockfish. So we'll see if we catch them. All right, so right here I got like a 7-foot leader here, a 50-pound mono. I just made this rig here through these little mini squid on there, and I got a 5/0 hook. We're gonna be using 8-ounce weight here, but I know at the next spot we might be using a 16-ounce because we're gonna go deeper. So we're gonna be going about 200 or a little over 200 feet. So we're gonna use 8 ounces. Yeah, for my main line, I have 65-pound braid, and I have about maybe about 20 yards of a 20-pound monofilament. It's kind of a heavy line, but I use this for other stuff too besides rock fishing, so that's why I got 65 on there. They're about to drop the anchor. What are we, a little over 200 feet or so, or what?
Yeah, we're in like 305.
Oh, 300?
Yeah.
Yep, so as you heard, we're in 300 feet of water right now, so we'll see what we get right here. I got my 8-ounce weight. I might actually throw a 12-ounce on there, so we'll see. It's gonna take a little while to reel this in. Whoa! nice bocasio, or over here they call it salmon grouper actually, but look at that guy. I hooked onto something nice. It's fighting. Oh my gosh, big red. Big red. Dude. Oh my gosh. I knew I had something big on. He was fighting the whole way up.
I know, you can't, you gotta big one. Hold it up for a picture.
Until I got about... All right, guys. As you can see right here on the Victory, catching big rockfish. Nice red right here. Let's drop it down, try to get another one. All right, got another one on. After that big red that I caught, I just dropped it down and right away, not even 1 minute. Nice bocasio. Oh shoot, sorry.
There you go.
Chili pepper. Fryer.
All right. Whoa. Nice one. Bosco. All right. Got a double. Double. What do they call them?
Poinsettia.
Poinsettias? Nice berm. Big one. And I got a bag full of fish. Nice ones too. Look at that. So, good day of fishing today on the Victory, that's for sure. Limits of rockfish. Alright, over here filleting like champs. So yeah, it was a super good day of fishing today on the Victory, and I'm just glad I came out here. Only out here for a couple days, but I'm really glad I did come out. But got kind of burnt up from the sun, even though I'm in the sun all the time. Caught a nice limit of rockfish. Caught probably one of the biggest vermilions I've ever caught, and just had a really good day out here. Caught a, you know, short halibut in the morning, some sculpin. You know, we fish from about 50 foot of water to 700 foot of water. So if you come out here, always check, be prepared, make sure you have enough line on your reels, make sure you have the proper gear. But yeah, excellent day out here. So I'll see you guys on the next one.